hello. Happy Tuesday. So we have this little dance that we do. All right. Let's get this started. Let me put the music down. Well, hello. How are you? How is everybody doing today? Happy Tuesday. Happy almost weekend Tuesday. Yeah, almost weekend. We have the rest of the week, but it's for some reason it feels good. It feels tropical, and that's why we're giving this this recipe a shot. This one is called coconut chicken bathe coconut chicken, or you catch the drift. So it's gonna be coconut infused sauce in the chicken with all the other ingredients that we have here, and I'll go over all that good stuff. So what are the ingredients that you're gonna need? You're gonna need at least, 2 chicken breasts, or you can get the chicken cutlets that is smaller, thinner. So we took a chicken breast and we just went ahead and just slice them out thinner. That way you get that nice like crisp and it's still juicy. So we'll go ahead and prep that out. And after we prep them out, we take a little piece of paper towel and we just kind of like tap them. That way we take out the excess water. And then after that, we're gonna prepare our pan crusting. If you see it here, it looks pretty cool. There you go. Now you see it. So here, you're gonna have a little bit of flour. We're using almond flour because we run out of the other flour, but almond flour is pretty good. The last recipe we used almond flour. It was really, really tasty. And on the almond flour, you're gonna add a little bit of chili. You see it? Chili. You're gonna have a little bit of garlic salt. Definitely have to have some pepper. Pepper is key to all this. And you're gonna have some pink sea salt. So you're gonna add all that here and make kind of like a good concoction of like pan searing thing for the chicken. Now on the skillet, you're gonna put butter because you're gonna fry the chicken or just kind of like sear the chicken and just start working your way into the chicken and the sauce and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and start putting this in here. You gotta make sure that the pan is already hot. You want to hear that sizzle. Then you're gonna take the chicken, you're gonna dump it in here like such. Just to have a light breading. If you see the light breading there, and then just throw it in here. We're gonna do just 4 pieces. Or 2 pieces, because this is, there you go. Then you're gonna go ahead, clean your hands. While that is happening over there, you always gotta hydrate yourself. It smells good, and I haven't even started. Now, once you have it here, you're gonna let it cook a little bit. That way you get that nice crisp on both sides. On top of that, you're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of garlic. Once you add the garlic, it's just gonna bring out a whole bunch of other flavors too. So this is for now measurements. There's really no measurements. Like I always tell you guys, we just put a little bit. If you like it very garlicky, then add some more garlic. And there you go. That's what we have here. Oh yeah, it's bringing out the flavors now. That is good. You don't need to do the sauce if you don't want to, but with the sauce it'll be even better. Now we're gonna take a little bit more of the butter. There's always room for more butter. You know what I mean? So you have this real nice. Put it on high. That way it cooks well. It gives you that like golden all around the chicken. I guess we could put one more chicken here. It says lightly breaded. You just slightly bread it like this. Let it go like that. How's everybody doing? Let me see if I could get a little bit more in here. Do you see what's going on here? This is like, it's amazing. This looks great. I tend to wash my hands a lot, so if you see me going back and forth, that's because I'm washing my hands. But this smells great, looks great. Whoa, that will happen because you're frying, and I have water in my hands. So the recipe says once we have this going on, we'll have the chicken get cooked for a while. And then once it's kind of like halfway there, we'll introduce the other part. And what's the other part? We're gonna add some chives or green onions, and we're gonna have some peppers. Now we'll add this a little bit later, right before we add the sauce. That will, or the coconut milk, that way they get a little bit cooked. You don't want them extremely cooked, you want them just like soft. Okay? Wow, this looks really great. Alright. Also, while it's almost done, you could add a little bit of lime juice or just add some of this lime. And this would definitely give some freshness on the chicken. I prefer to use real limes instead of the lime juice. It just tastes better. So now that we have this, nice golden, almost cooked. Now we're gonna throw in the onions and the peppers. And throw a little bit of that. Look at it. It's looking amazing. All right. Also, if you want, you could add a little bit more butter. Wow. I'm already hungry. Look at this thing. Bam. So once you have this going, throw a little bit more of these. You're going to use also honey, and this is for the sauce. infused honey. You're gonna have the red hot sweet chili that you're gonna add to everything here. And you need to have coconut milk. This is kind of like the base of everything. A little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of cornstarch. That way you make it more into kind of like a creamy, not that watery. This looks great. I don't know, but this here, it smells really good. Hey Brian, how you doing? We're cooking here in the kitchen. You should come over. Let's go. It's good stuff. Put a little bit more garlic, because we like garlic. Now we're good. Throw a little bit of lime. I don't remember if the honey was before, after, but I'm gonna add a little bit of honey now. I'm gonna add a little bit of the soy sauce. And all this is up to taste. It does smell really good. Then we put the sweet Thai chili. Now we're gonna mix this. Wow, this is great. Look at that. That is amazing. And this is just a start. Now we're gonna put the fun stuff, which is the coconut milk. We're just gonna dump the coconut milk. And once we have all this, you're just gonna let it simmer. You could add a little bit more of honey if you like it more in the sweet side. So let's just do that. Put a little bit more soy sauce. Throw some more of this, because if not, it's gonna go to waste. And we just let it simmer there for a little bit. But pretty much, that's what it is. Gonna let it simmer a little bit. And in a few minutes, we'll go ahead and add a little bit of the cornstarch, or we could just add it all now. That way we're pretty much all done. How much cornstarch? I really have no idea. So I'm just gonna take like a spoonful. Like something like this. Not that much. See? I'm just gonna sprinkle it all around. Like that. Bam. Alright, we're all set. So pretty much this is the recipe. Now all we need to do is let it simmer for a while. That way it thickens a little bit. Once it thickens, we also have rice that is in the rice cooker. So you can add the rice, do a bed of rice, and then put the chicken with the sauce on top. And that's it. It's golden. You can't beat that. And we did this in probably like what, 15 minutes. Add a little bit more of the chili sauce because, you know, you want to make sure it's nice and saucy. But pretty much that's where we're at. This is what it is, and this is how it looks right now. So once it's all done, we're gonna go ahead and take a picture and then send you guys a picture so you could see the finished product. But it does smells amazing, just so you know. Any questions on this or any other recipe, or if you have any suggestions on what recipe we should do in the next couple of weeks, feel free to contact us. Let us know. Also, if you know anybody that is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, feel free to send them our way and give them our contact numbers. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all social media platforms. We're there. We're all over the place. So this is pretty much it. We're done. So while this simmers, we get hydrated, and that's it for today. Peace out.